I'm Akiva, and I want to invite you to Ride Your Perfect Storm Reset. For 2 decades, I've taught meditation, breathwork, and transformational practices that reset the nervous system, build vitality, and help people reclaim clarity and power in their lives. Ride Your Perfect Storm is not a retreat, it's a reset. It's a powerful 5-hour day-long designed to shift you out of anxiety, stress, negativity, and bringing a state of calmness, vitality, focus, and direction. We will work with a few different techniques, breath work, a few kinds of meditations, movement. We're gonna have fun in terms of like teasing out insights that will inspire and revitalize your life. And we're gonna actually work with these different tools from few different angles, so you leave with renewed connection to your purpose, to a grounded sense of self, and to a deep understanding that you're moving forward in life. By the end of this workshop, you'll have a clearer mind, a calmer body, and a stronger sense of inner momentum. You walk away not only feeling better, but knowing exactly what your next step. I would love you to join us. We're running a special early bird tuition in the next 5 days, and I'm looking forward for your questions and to see you on July 26th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Mount Shasta. Details are below.